Doom, 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 shower. Doom, 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 shower.
Ambulance. These emergency vehicles are equipped with state-of-the-art medical equipment and are staffed by skilled professionals. Telolet Bajuri buses. It's not your typical vehicle but has gained fame for its unique and cheerful horn sound. We have trailer transport truck. These versatile vehicles are the backbone of industries worldwide, from transporting goods to construction projects. Is Excavator. They can scoop up massive amounts of dirt and rocks in no time. Construction sites wouldn't be the same without them. Airplane. Airplanes are essential modes of air travel. We'll explore the mechanics of these flying wonders and how they make air travel possible. The name of this vehicle is container truck. They transport goods within shipping containers from ports to their final destinations. We have bulldozer. These powerful machines are the backbone of construction sites and agriculture. Fire truck. When disaster strikes, you'll be glad to see a fire truck coming your way. These heroes of the road rush to the scene to put out fires and save lives. Double-decker buses are known for their distinctive design and ability to carry a large number of passengers, both seated and standing. Thomas the Train. Thomas Train is a steam locomotive with a cheerful and friendly face on his front. We have helicopter. They're used in everything from rescue missions to aerial photography. They're the kings of versatility. We have police car. With powerful engines and advanced technology, police cars are built to chase down criminals and maintain public safety. We've got the tractor. These hard-working vehicles are the backbone of agriculture. They plow fields and do all the heavy lifting on farms. We have cargo trucks. Cargo trucks have various types and sizes, depending on the type of goods to be transported and the distance traveled. We have jet fighter. Jet fighter is a high-performance military aircraft designed primarily for air-to-air combat. We have crane truck. This specialized vehicle combines the capabilities of a mobile crane with the mobility and flexibility of a truck. This is Tayo the Little Bus. Has gained popularity worldwide and is beloved by children and parents for its engaging storytelling and educational content. We have tow truck. Ever wonder what happens when a vehicle breaks down or gets into an accident? Well, tow trucks come to the rescue. The name of this vehicle is race cars. Is designed for one thing, pure power machines pumping speed. This is train. They're efficient, environmentally friendly, and an integral part of our transportation network. Dump truck is a heavy-duty vehicle designed for the transportation of materials such as sand, gravel, dirt, or construction debris. We have the forklift. It might look small compared to our previous machines, but it plays a crucial role in warehouses and logistics. Garbage trucks are equipped with compactors to compress the collected waste, allowing them to carry more trash and reduce the number of trips to disposal sites. This is high-speed train. These trains are known for their incredible speed and efficiency. We have mixer truck. This eliminates the need for on-site mixing and saves valuable time in construction projects. We've got the monster truck. With their massive wheels and insane suspension, they can crush cars and fly through the air. Road roller is a heavy construction vehicle used primarily for compacting or flattening surfaces, especially roads and pavements. Rocket launcher truck. These launchers can fire a variety of rockets, including unguided artillery rockets and guided missiles. We have sand truck. We will explore how they handle these heavy loads and see the unique features that make them ideal for their job. School bus is a specially designed vehicle used to transport students to and from schools. We have sports car. A sports car is more than just a means of transportation. It's an embodiment of speed, precision, and passion. We have tank battle. Tank battles are dynamic and intense engagements that can determine the outcome of larger military operations. We have tanker truck. Tanker trucks plays a critical role in fuel distribution. Tanker trucks are all about precision and safety.